Have you guys noticed that the beauty tech world is shifting lately? For the longest time, it was all about just radiofrequency for skin tightening. But lately, I'm starting to see brands pair radiofrequency with ultrasound in the same exact mode. It's like the industry finally realized they work better as a team. Today, we are looking at the Reva Instant Age Renewal Wand from Project eBeauty. I want to talk about this technology and why it may be the new gold standard. What's actually under the hood of this, and if this $399 device is the one you should actually spend your hard-earned money on. I have some before and afters to review with you as well, so let's get started. I actually appreciate the brand behind this. Project eBeauty has been doing this since 2012. They've won awards for their digital innovation in the beauty space and are constantly featured in places like Marie Claire, so they aren't some pop-up TikTok brand. Plus, they give you a 60-day guarantee and a 2-year warranty, which we absolutely love. If a company doesn't give you at least a year on an electronic device, I say don't even buy it. Okay, so 2 years tells me that they really expect this to last. All right, let's get into the specifications of this device. This has 5 different types of technologies working together. So we've got radio frequency, and this actually is 300 kilohertz, and it is paired with ultrasound frequency. Ultrasound is high-speed micro vibrations for cellular regeneration, and I'm going to come back to that in just a minute, but I want to talk to you a bit about the radio frequency on this device, which is 300 kilohertz. This is your thermal energy. It heats the dermis to wake up that collagen. Now remember, the lower the number, when we're talking about radio frequency, the deeper it will penetrate. So I want to compare this quickly to the newer radio frequency, which is what changed my face almost 6 years ago. That is actually at 1 megahertz. So let me give you a quick science explanation regarding the frequency versus the depth relation. So lower frequencies, this is 300 kilohertz. These waves have longer wavelengths and encounter less resistance as they travel through the upper layers of the skin. This allows the energy to bypass the epidermis and reach the deeper dermis and even potentially the subcutaneous fat layers, okay? Higher frequencies like that of 1 megahertz of newer radio frequency, these waves have shorter wavelengths and are absorbed more quickly by the water content in the upper layers of the skin. So 1 megahertz is generally more effective for superficial skin tightening and improving texture in the mid to upper dermis. So with this device, it combines radio frequency with ultrasound, and it's essentially trying to give you a multi-level treatment. While both use heat to stimulate collagen, they use different physics to get there. Why pair them together? By combining them into one mode, the Reva is aiming for a synergistic effect, okay? So deeper rejuvenation in the Reva, specifically the radio frequency runs at 300 kilohertz, while the ultrasound runs at 3 megahertz. This allows the device to target both the structural dermis and the subcutaneous layers simultaneously, effectively targeting stubborn jowl fat while preserving facial volume. Okay? Who doesn't want that? I get this question all the time. Will radio frequency deplete fat in my face? And the ones that are at home should not be doing that at all. However, you might just need that. That's just the reality of it, okay? So I think that what is really interesting about this is the ultrasound paired with that 300 kilohertz radio frequency. It is going to hopefully, they claim, effectively target stubborn jowl fat while preserving facial volume, okay? This also has EMS. So we love that. That is electric muscle stimulation, and that is going to physically lift and tone those 40 plus facial muscles that we usually ignore in the face. I've been using EMS for a really long time. Absolutely love it. And then it also has REP. Electroporation is what that's going to be. And that is going to help to pulse your expensive serums deeper into the skin. It also has 3 types of LED light therapy. You can toggle between the red, which is for collagen building, the blue if you have more acne, or the yellow for brightening. Okay, so all of this is packed into a surprisingly powerful 10-watt device with 6 different probes. And these probes are 24 karat gold plated. And why is that important? Not because it just looks fancy, but because it actually, gold is superior conductor. So it ensures every bit of that energy gets delivered into your skin instead of just sitting on top of the skin, okay? So let's talk about the routine on this because you have to be smart about this. So the cool thing with the LED lights can be paired with any of the 3 modes, okay? So there are 3 modes, like I said. So you've got the URF, which is the ultrasound paired with the RF. You've got the REP, which is going to penetrate those products deeper in the skin. And then you've got the EMS. And then all 3 of those lights can be used on any of those modes. Okay, so if you're looking for the daily lift, you can use the Sculpt mode daily, which is the EMS. It's your morning face gym to keep everything snatched, you know, kind of tightened and get those muscles working. However, I always say give your face at least 1 or 2 days off. If you want to go in every day for a few weeks to really start getting them going, then give yourself a couple of days off during the week. I think that's really important to, it's kind of like you're going in and you don't want to overwork the muscles. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so your daily lift would be the EMS, pair that with the red LED, and that is going to give you an extra anti-aging boost while you are toning the face. Okay, so the heavy lifting is definitely going to be with the URF mode, which is the ultrasound paired with the RF, and you're going to want to do that 3 times a week. That is really important. Do not do that every day because, of course, like I state always in my videos, the magic really happens in the repair, in the healing process. That's when you're going to see everything happen. So you want to make sure that you are giving yourself a day in between off. So 3 times a week for the URF mode is going to be beautiful. And then, of course, you can pair that with any light that you want. And then you can do the REP product absorption mode, definitely about 2 to 3 times a week as well. Let's get into my before and afters.
Okay, I have only been using this device for about 4 weeks right now. So I don't think that I'm going to see a lot of results. And remember, I've been using radio frequency now for, over 5 years. I feel like I'm in that maintenance phase. However, I would really like to see if I can get that sculpted jaw. I'm not sure if you can with at-home devices or doing anything at home. I know that obviously you can go in office. So that is my goal. I'm kind of testing that out. I do have some weight to lose as well. So it could be weight related. But anyway, I want to let you know where I am using this device. Okay. So for the ultrasound radio frequency, I am using it only on this jowl area. Okay. So this and right underneath the jaw and under the chin. That is where I'm using it only, and it's only on this side because I'm testing a different device on this side. Video coming soon. And I think that you can also kind of see my face is not in the best condition over on top here, and that's because I am doing laser right now. I'm testing 2 different devices, so I just want to kind of let you know about that. But anyway, so that is also coming. But let's take a look here. I have been using this, like I said, only on this area. Okay, I've been doing it for 4 minutes. Now, the entire face should be used for 4 minutes. That's the treatment plan is 4 minutes, about 2 to 3 times a week. I've been using it about 2 times a week. And again, I am using it here for 2 minutes and then right underneath the jaw for 2 minutes. So from the front view, not seeing really anything different. And then let's go ahead and look at this. I also do black and white photos just to get rid of any lighting issues. Still not seeing any major changes. And let's go ahead and look at the side view. I feel like this might be a hint, like maybe a hint of more sculpt here than here. However, again, I am not sure if this is like a shadow. I really don't know. I think only time will tell. And so, yeah, that's the only area that I'm using it, and underneath the chin. And here's the black and white. It looks like there might be a little bit more of a shadow there. So I'm not really sure that you can still see a difference yet. Maybe slightly. But I'm going to keep you updated. And I've said this, I've been using beauty devices for a very long time, over 5 years. And I would state that it's about the 90-day mark that you'll see some differences. But I don't know if this is going to give me a sculpted jaw, but that is my goal. And I will keep you updated. I'm going to keep this going for at least 90 days. So yeah, let me know your thoughts.
So remember, like I always say, this is more of like a marathon than a sprint, okay? These at-home beauty devices take time. Consistency is truly everything. I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I have gained some weight this last year and I am just beside myself. So we're going in strong and we're trying to lose weight. And I do have a feeling that the weight, once I lose my weight, that this area is going to help as well with that. But I am also continue to use radio frequency paired with the ultrasound. We're going to see how this works. And I always say subtle results is something. It's something. It's usually about 4 to 6 months that I think that you see major changes. And I'm going to keep you updated. So at $399, it's absolutely an investment. If you are the type of person who's spending $200 to $500 on a single RF, facial at a spa, this really pays for itself in really by the second month, which is why I'm such a big fan of radio frequency, devices and doing them at home. I do have a discount, 15% off. The code is Jody Lynn. If you are looking into a radio frequency device and you want some additional savings. So I'm going to be continuing to use this and I will let you know. So if you like this video, if you have any questions about this device as well, please let me know. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.